Hello everyone and welcome back. In our last lecture, we studied the pituitary gland, often called the master gland because of how it directs other parts of the endocrine system. Today, we're going to focus on two closely related glands in the neck, the thyroid gland and the parathyroid glands. Together, these glands control your metabolism, calcium levels, and energy balance, making them vital for everyday life. The thyroid gland is a butterfly-shaped gland located in the front of your neck, just below the Adam's apple. Even though it's small, the thyroid plays a huge role in metabolism, the process of how your body uses energy. The thyroid produces two main hormones, thyroxine, T4, triiodothyronine, T3. Both of these hormones regulate how quickly your body uses calories, how fast your heart beats, and how warm your body feels. Another hormone the thyroid produces is calcitonin, which helps regulate calcium levels in your blood by lowering them when they get too high. How the thyroid works: the thyroid doesn't work alone. It takes instructions from the pituitary gland. Here's the pathway. The pituitary gland releases TSH, thyroid-stimulating hormone. TSH signals the thyroid gland to release T3 and T4. These hormones then travel through the blood to nearly every cell in your body to control metabolism and energy use. When thyroid hormones are too high, the condition is called hyperthyroidism. Symptoms include weight loss, anxiety, sweating, and a rapid heartbeat. When thyroid hormones are too low, the condition is called hypothyroidism. Symptoms include fatigue, weight gain, cold intolerance, and slowed growth in children. Functions of thyroid hormones: let's break down their roles. Metabolism: they set your body's energy speed. Growth and development: essential for brain development in infants and children. Temperature regulation: keeping your body warm. Heart and muscle activity: influencing how strongly and quickly your heart beats. Without proper thyroid hormone levels, your body's entire rhythm becomes unbalanced. Now, let's look at the parathyroid glands. These are four tiny, pea-sized glands, usually located on the back of the thyroid gland. Despite their small size, they play a critical role in calcium regulation. The parathyroid glands release a hormone called parathyroid hormone, PTH. Functions of parathyroid hormone, PTH. PTH has one major job: to keep your blood calcium levels within a very tight range. It does this by stimulating bones to release calcium into the bloodstream, helping the kidneys conserve calcium instead of excreting it, activating vitamin D in the kidneys, which allows the intestines to absorb more calcium from food. Why is calcium balance so important? Because calcium is not just for bones. It's essential for muscle contraction, nerve function, and blood clotting. Thyroid and parathyroid disorders. Some common disorders include thyroid disorders, hypothyroidism, underactive thyroid hyperthyroidism, overactive thyroid goiter, enlargement of the thyroid gland, often from iodine deficiency, thyroid nodules, or thyroid cancer. Parathyroid disorders, hyperparathyroidism, too much PTH, leading to high calcium levels and fragile bones. Hypoparathyroidism, too little PTH, leading to low calcium levels, muscle cramps, and tingling sensations. How to support thyroid and parathyroid health. While some conditions are genetic or autoimmune, you can help maintain thyroid and parathyroid health by eating a diet with enough iodine, found in iodized salt and seafood, since iodine is necessary to make thyroid hormones. Getting enough vitamin D and calcium to support bone and calcium balance. Having regular checkups if you notice symptoms like unexplained weight changes, fatigue, or swelling in the neck. The thyroid gland regulates your metabolism, energy, and growth through T3 and T4 hormones. The parathyroid glands control your calcium levels through parathyroid hormone, which is critical for bones, muscles, and nerves. Even though these glands are small, they have a powerful impact on your health. Thank you for joining me in this lecture. See you in the next lecture.